Let's be real. Creating videos without showing your face used to feel like robotic, boring, or just plain fake. But with these scripts, AI avatars in 2025, this changed. I'm going to show you how to create hyper realistic talking head videos in minutes without touching a camera or even saying a word. By the end of this quick tutorial, you will know how to create stunning face generated videos using these scripts, step by step, no fluff, no filler. So let's get into it. Hey, I've been in the YouTube game for over a couple of years, and right now we're seeing a massive shift. AI avatars are not the future, they are now. Whether you're a faceless channel, an online educator, or content creator who just does not want to dress up every day, this tool gives you power. This tool is broken down into four parts: setting up your avatar, writing and editing your script inside Descript video. So, first things first, log in to this website using this link. I'll provide the link in the description and come here on the Create with an AI avatar. From here, select whatever voice you want to add, or if you have already added your personal overdub voices, you can also do that. You simply select this one and click on to speaker. After that, here you'll see a few pre-built avatars, but if you want to create your own one, simply upload a file, which can be png, jpg, webp, and next is 10 MB. Your picture should be less than 10 MB. We can see there are ton of them. This one looks it. I use this as an avatar, and voila. Descript provides our descripts this variety of avatars with different tones, genders, and languages, perfect for faceless creators. If you're uploading yourself, make sure you're in good lighting, talking naturally, and facing the camera. This script will reject poor quality image. After that, write a script. Here's where Descript really shines. You don't need a separate writing tool. Just click on this avatar option. Right here, you can start typing your video script like you would a Google Doc. And here's what's powerful: you can even edit by text instead of timeline. Simply, I'll just is a story that has generated with ChatGPT and wait a little bit. Even you can use AI to improve or rewrite lines inside this script. You can assign different avatars, different lines. It's perfect for dialogues. So once your script is ready, as you can see, after you have done the writing, at first it will generate the whole script, voiceover, and voila. Your voiceover is done. Now you can listen to your voiceover correct anywhere you see, and click on generate videos. And here's some customization tips. You can change the background by uploading your brand colors or studio set image, positioning some zoom, ace, avatar, left, right. You can everything. You can do everything with it. Even the generate captions, auto generated and editable. Always turn them on for retention. And return time depends on length, usually 1 to 2 minutes for a 1 minute video. But don't just slap the avatar on the white background and call it a day. That's what makes AI videos feel soulless. Add subtle zooms, cuts, and background music in Descript timeline. So you just learned how to create a professional talking head video using Descript's AI avatar without a camera, mic, without
And that's it. Now you know how to create a video from scratch using an avatar. It's your turn. Go create a nice looking video without all the stress of
even stepping in front of the lens. So you just learned how to create a professional talking head video using Descript's AI avatar without a camera, without a mic, without ever stepping in front of the lens. And listen, this is not about replacing humans. This is about creating more content faster, especially for those of us who have held back because we didn't want to be on camera. So if this helped, drop a comment with a question and I'll respond personally. If you're using this for YouTube, fitness channels, online courses, or even kind work, hit the like and subscribe because I have got some deep dive videos on advanced mode. This is the future of content, and you're at the right start. Let's build with it.